Good day, my name is Emma Horcher. I'm a PhD engineering student currently studying my PhD in thermoelectrics. So welcome to AIMERED. AIMERED is a YouTube channel that I've created to spread my knowledge when it comes to 3D design and engineering problems. So if you require help in 3D design work and engineering problems, you've come to the right place. If you do like the video, please share and subscribe. Helps out a bunch. Hopefully we can spread the knowledge to more and more engineers to help them with their goals. So basically the first episode we have here is showing you the basics of SolidWorks and how it operates. So SolidWorks is a 3D design and rendering software used to design and render products before manufacture. It allows us to see the product before the final stages of manufacturing and allows us to reduce costs. So this is basically how SolidWorks operates and how it looks. We have a whole bunch of functions at the top. This is a 3D section with the features of 3D section. This allows you to do a whole bunch of 3D effects or features. We have the sketch section, which is like the 2D section, which allows you to draw. Once you're done with your sketch, you can go ahead and extrude, revolve, stuff like that. We will go into depth with future episodes. Hopefully by the end of this series, this SolidWorks series, you'll be familiar with SolidWorks. So we'll start with the basics and then we'll go ahead and move to more intermediate stuff. Hopefully you will be very familiar with how to use SolidWorks by the end of this YouTube playlist. So yeah, this is SolidWorks. I don't want to go too in depth with this introductory video. I just want to put out something very simple. So this is a heatsink that I have designed for CPU cooling. There's a copper cooling block and then a bunch of heat pipes and then some cooling fins. So the good thing about SolidWorks it allows you to, as I said previously, get a very realistic view. As you can see, this is a very realistic view. I do have real view graphics, where is it? There it is, real view graphics enabled, so that allows me to get a realistic view without doing the taxing rendering that puts a lot of tax on your CPU and GPU. So yeah, it allows us to get a realistic view of the product, and we can also go ahead and do finite element analysis, flow simulation, and also heat simulation as well, heat flow simulation. So yeah, this is the basics of SolidWorks. Hopefully you stay tuned for the next episode where we will discuss sketching. Thank you very much.